Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another update on our project in Harrisonville, Missouri. So if you remember from our previous video, we got the first of 3 of the stone walls rebuilt back to vertical. Put in a brand new window and window well, looks very nice. We are just about finished with the second wall, so you can see right here. So we're just getting the mortar, high strength concrete, and we're just manually relaying the stone back to its correct vertical position. So once that wall is done, we will move all of our 6x6s and bottle jacks over to this side and start the final tear down and rebuild of this third section. And then after all of the walls are rebuilt, we will get the floor ready once again for the final part of this project, which is going to be re-pouring a new basement floor. So we're going to cover this entire area where you see gravel. So a large area that we're going to get re-poured with that high strength concrete, beautiful concrete floor once everything's done. Before we pour that concrete in 5 sections, 4 around this center area here, and then another 5th one in this area where the brick is now. We're going to be pouring 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 foot thick concrete footing. So we're going to do some additional excavating there and just pour that all likely monolithic when we pour the floor. So we are getting closer and closer to completion on this project, so stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can check those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.